Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager at Sunshine Resources. Welcome to our tutorial series on how to build website with HTML and CSS. And this is tutorial 53rd in this series. And I just want to say here that we've almost come to the end of this tutorial. I want to thank you for keeping in touch with us. And I did promise, I always promise that you are on your way to becoming, or almost becoming, a professional web designer. In the last tutorial I talked about fixed position, and I went a little bit further to throw more light on fixed positioning, element in a fixed position on your web page. And I showed you how element in a fixed position does not scroll with other element in the absolute or relative position. And today I just want to make one point very clear, which is very important. In the second to the last tutorial, we learned how to create form, okay? And we learned how to create a username, a password, and a submit button. And I noticed that I did not mention this part, very important. Before your data, the data from the user can be collected by JavaScript or PHP, you have to perform one certain action here, and which is called the action. You have to put the action, okay, very important, otherwise the data will not move anywhere. So you create the action. For example, you tell the data to do something, okay, and then you give it the method that you want to use. There are two kind of method: plus, inverted comma, open and close, inverted comma, open and close. Now there are two kind of method. You have the get method, which usually the browser exposes your data to people to see, and that is not usually advisable. The best method is the post method, which keep your data secured, and you have to log in this code here before the final process can be complete. And that's all I want to show you today. You have to give it an action to do something, select a method before your data can be collected by PHP or Java program and be stored in a particular part of your server. So now we have learned how to create a website, and after you finish creating your website, you have to upload your files onto the internet. That is the World Wide Web. Otherwise, people will not have access to your website or to the site you have just finished developing. So for you to be able to upload your website onto the internet, or you have to get what is called a web host. A web host, very important. You have to get a web host, and then when you pay for a web host, you'll be given a domain name, and then you have to select a domain name for yourself. And then your web host will give you a back side, the administrative panel called the C panel, where you can upload files from your computer to the internet. That's a web server. And my intention is to go through another series of tutorials in which we will run how to build a website, a sample website. We're now going to learn how to build a sample website, and in that tutorial I'm going to show you practical how to do this. After we have finished building the website, we're going to build a sample website, filling in using all those items we have learned from tutorial 1 to tutorial 53 to build the website. So I need you to keep in touch and keep learning coding. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you liked what we're doing, continue to support us, give us thumbs up, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.